Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Medar's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay ituturo ko on how to hide or unhide the cursor while typing in Windows 11 or Windows 10. It is generally the case that you position your mouse on the screen where you want to type and open the cursor can get in your way, especially if you are working in a rich coding environment or if the cursor activates a tooltip. Here are a few solution guys and just follow the step. And then dito lang sa start menu, so click lang natin to. And then dito sa kanyang searching bar ay kailangan lang natin type yung keyword na mate.ctl and then click mo tong open. At automatic mga kaibigan na pop up itong tinatawag na mouse properties. And then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang select yung pointer options. Dito sa pointer options, dito lang sa baba makita mo dito yung visibility. And then nandito na siya kung paano ba natin i-hide or unhide natin yung cursor while typing. So pwede mong i-check to or uncheck mga kaibigan. So gusto mo ng hide, so check mo lang. Kung gusto mo ng hide, so kailangan mo nang i-check. Kung gusto mo naman ng unhide, uncheck mo lang siya. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple dito kung paano ba natin i-hide or unhide the cursor while typing Windows 11 or Windows 10. And then next, I click mo lang to apply. And then okay. Alright? So maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman. At kung bago ka na sa akin channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notifications to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.